My opinion, all homeowners should own their own water heaters. Paying so much and still not getting the services I deserve. So when I tried to buy out the water heater, I was so shocked to hear the exorbitant fees they were charging for it. And I really had to look at other options. So yeah, I do urge all homeowners to own their own water heaters rather than renting, because it is more cost effective. It is definitely stress free. I highly recommend LG Home Comfort, and they helped me cancel my existing water heater contract with the previous company.